Hey, buddy. Okay, this is gonna be a real chilled one because I just got back from holiday and I'm tired and I'm gonna try and get this video out in like 10 minutes. I haven't been out. I haven't been back. So here we go. We're gonna talk about this Premier Daz, right? Next week, hopefully, we have like a complete run through with all of the new stuff. Like I'll get it for a month and I'll see what it is. There's a couple of things that sound pretty cool. There's a couple of things that are bleh. Okay, so the big one for me, I mean, okay, it's just it's just another thing to pay more money for, right? Uh, $20, right? It's 18.95. Let's say $20. It's $20, uh, which is pretty steep a month, man. It's pretty steep a month. But if you're one of those people that don't stop buying crap, and I know a couple of you, yeah, I'm looking at you. Then this could be a good thing, right? Um, and I like the exporting tools. Let's see how it works because the bridge never works properly. There's always something wrong with it. Can I take a high-res character over to Blender or Maya? Will this work? That's the big one. If it's just standard res, absolutely pointless, right? But if you can take your scene, your high-res scene, one-click it over to Maya or Blender, then that makes it worthwhile. That's a huge one. Exporting things to Blender. Now this is another massive one. Not for people that are just doing normal images though, but I can convert the Daz rigs over to Metahuman. Sure, Maximo and whatever, but Metahuman is the big one. Unreal Engine, normal skeleton. Metahuman is the massive one. That gives huge life to these characters then. It can take on all the animations, everything else that your other metahumans are using. So this for me would be a massive one. That's great. Let's see how it works. Once again, I don't know how any of this works. Let's go through it and let's see it. I'm hoping to do this for next week. I need time to play with it, see what happens. This one would be absolutely colossal. I'll never render in Iray again. If it's this quick and I can take my high-res versions through to Maya, I'll never use Iray again. That's just a no-brainer. I'd be using Arnold to render everything from now on. Iray is just very convenient, but taking your stuff over to Maya as it stands now sucks. Okay. Okay, community access. Okay, no one cares. Content. Okay, we've got that already. The token system. Okay, for one every $5, you can collect up to 8. Fine for those of you that don't stop buying stuff. Stuff you'll never use. At least you can collect more tokens now. So this is it. Daz Studio Premiere. It's a new kind of Daz that you can use, which give you. Here's the other massive one. Like in the video, I see they're sculpting a low resolution, but if we can sculpt high resolution morphs, or I can export to ZBrush now the high resolution characters, this would make it worth it instantly. This would make it worth it for me, and I can bring them back to Daz. If it's low resolution, I couldn't care less about it. This dead in the water. It doesn't matter anymore. It's rubbish. But if I can sculpt high resolution morphs and also take it over to ZBrush, sculpt high resolution there, because I don't know what these tools are like in Daz. I doubt they're going to be anywhere near Blenders or ZBrushes, but let's see, right? Maybe they're good. There's no ways they're going to be good, but maybe they're good, right? Plus 10% off, no one cares. 35% off discount on Daz Original, sure, fine. Free character bundle monthly. Now, actually, this one they're giving away this new kind of free bundle coupon. This could actually be pretty cool. Payment method. Oh, okay. It's just giving you all my damn details, but this could be quite cool. This one, Vicky 9 and Vicky 9. This could be pretty cool. So let's see. I don't know. Where is the Vicky 9? So the Vicky 9 bundle. The Vicky 9 character bundle, it says, right? Free bundle. Character bundle, yeah. And then the Dark Elf Shake, which is cool. So, it's this. So you get this, you get Vicky 9, Toon Makeup, you get everything to do tunes, which is pretty cool actually. I wanna actually see how this all works. This could be pretty cool, could be crap, don't know really. But judging by this, could be cool. I don't know. could be alright. I don't know if I'll ever use that, but cool. And then you get the shape, which is cool. Free legacy content weekly. Legacy. No one uses legacy. Does anyone use legacy content? I don't know. It's rubbish. And are these free character bundles monthly? Are they going to be good? Are they going to be Genesis 9 or whatever? Or are they going to start giving you threes? Because like the normal thing is rubbish. You get these old things, these freebies every month. It's all rubbish, man. It's rubbish. But let's see if they continue with Genesis 9 or Genesis 8.1s or 8s. That would be okay. Even 8s, I think, would be stretching it at this point. But let's see. Let's see what they do. But I can't see them giving away incredible character bundles every month. That's over $100 or whatever. I can't see that happening. Not a chance of the 9s or the 8.1s. I can't see that happening, guys. Let's be honest. Unlock access to exclusive Premier only content. Okay, no one cares about that either. So, is it worth it? I don't know, man. If we can bring to Maya, it's all about the high resolution, right? If high resolution stuff can start going into Maya, Blender, Metahuman is a good one. The bundles, there's no ways they're going to start giving you great bundles every month. I can guarantee, almost guarantee that one. And the sculpting is at high resolution. It all comes down to high resolution and how easy it is to get into Metahuman and Maya high resolutions. That's for me. If that doesn't work, this thing is absolutely pointless. It's just another scam. I don't know. But if it does, this is going to be incredible. Honestly, this will be amazing. Then you start getting the power of what the people that create all this stuff, right? The PAs. And then you start getting that kind of power with it, and that'll be incredible. If it is not, it's just going to be absolutely useless. Anyway, I hope this helps, and thanks for joining. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.